Ever wondered what are the essentials for solo travel? Picture this. You're about to embark on a solo adventure, but the question of what to pack looms large. It's not just about throwing things into a suitcase. It's about curating a collection of essentials that offer convenience, comfort, and a touch of home while you explore the unknown. The challenge is real, the struggle palpable. But worry not. Stay tuned as we unveil the ultimate packing essentials for your solo adventures. Packing can be a daunting task, especially when you're traveling alone. But don't fret. We're here to make it easier with a comprehensive list of essentials you should never leave behind. Sit back, get your pen and paper ready, and let's dive in. First up on our list is clothing. Now, this will largely depend on your destination's climate, but there are some universal essentials. Start with underwear, enough for a week. Then, socks, again, a week's worth should suffice. Aim for comfort and functionality over style. Next, pack 2 pairs of pants or shorts. One casual, one versatile pair that can be dressed up or down. Ladies, you might want to consider a skirt or dress as one of your versatile options. Shirts are next. Pack enough for a week. A mix of short and long-sleeved options is a good idea. Again, comfort is key. Also, consider packing a light, waterproof jacket, regardless of your destination. Weather can be unpredictable, and it's always better to be prepared. Moving on to toiletries. This is one area where you really want to minimize. Remember, most places you'll travel to will have stores, so pack travel-sized versions of your essentials. Toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and a razor. Don't forget a toothbrush, and ladies, your minimal makeup essentials. Next, we have travel documents. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget something. Your passport, driver's license, or ID, and any necessary visas are a must. Also, keep a copy of your travel insurance policy and emergency contact numbers. A hard copy of your itinerary can also come in handy. Let's talk about gadgets. Your phone is a given, but don't forget the charger. If you're planning on taking lots of photos or videos, consider bringing a camera. Remember the charger for that too. If you enjoy reading, an e-reader can be a space saver. And lastly, a power bank. This can be a lifesaver when you're out exploring all day. Health essentials are another category. Pack a small first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and any necessary medication. If you wear glasses or contacts, don't forget a spare pair and cleaning solution. The final category is miscellaneous items. These are things that don't fit into any other category, but are still important. A water bottle, snacks for the journey, a travel pillow for those long bus or plane rides, and a good book or two. One more thing, don't forget a sturdy, reliable bag to pack everything in. You want something that's comfortable to carry, easy to organize, and most importantly, secure. And there you have it, the ultimate packing list for solo travel. You might think, do I really need all these? It's a reasonable question, and the answer is a resounding yes. Each of these essentials is a cog in the machine that is your travel experience. When all the cogs are in place, the machine runs smoothly, efficiently, and without hiccup. Let's take a closer look at why these items are so crucial. Consider a simple item like a travel adapter. It's small, it's unassuming, but if you're traveling internationally, it becomes a lifeline. Picture this. You're in a foreign country. Your phone is your navigator, translator, and connection to home, but it's no good if it's dead, right? That's where your travel adapter comes in, keeping your devices charged and ready to go. Then there's your reusable water bottle. Hydration is key, especially when you're exploring new places. But buying bottled water can add up quickly, not to mention the environmental impact. A reusable water bottle saves you money and helps protect our beautiful planet. And what about a first aid kit? It might seem like overkill until you're in need of a band-aid or some pain relief. It's about being prepared for the unexpected because, let's face it, life doesn't stop throwing curveballs just because you're on vacation. Your travel essentials are more than just items in your luggage. They're your safety net, your comfort zone, your tools for exploration. They're the little things that make a big difference, turning a good trip into a great one. And they're not just for solo travel, but for any type of travel. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey. So, as you can see, each item on this list has its own crucial role in your travel journey. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We dove into the fascinating world of solo travel and explored the packing essentials that can turn a daunting solo trip into a seamless adventure. From the importance of packing light to the indispensability of key items like a reliable power bank, a sturdy water bottle, and a versatile scarf, we've covered it all. We've also underscored the significance of these essentials. They are not merely items to fill your backpack. They serve as your lifeline, your comfort zone, your survival kit when you're out there exploring the world on your own. They can make the difference between a stressful journey and a smooth sailing adventure. But remember, the art of packing is not about stuffing your bag with everything you own. It's about choosing what you really need and leaving behind what you can do without. It's about striking a balance between necessities and luxuries, between being prepared and being overburdened. We hope that our tips and advice will inspire and guide you as you embark on your solo travel adventures. And we promise to bring you more insights, more tips, and more wisdom from the world of travel. So if you're keen on turning your trips into unforgettable experiences, then we invite you to join our community. Subscribe to our channel and become part of our wanderlust-filled journey. Remember, the key to a successful solo adventure lies in smart packing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Safe travels!